Hi guys, it's me Akanksha. Welcome to Come.Code.Conquer. In today's video, we're going to see how to automate WhatsApp messaging in Python in less than 5 minutes. It's so simple that we're going to do it with just 2 lines of code. So let's jump right into the video. For this, we need to have Python installed in our machine. You can go to python.org and download it. The next thing that we need to have is a code editor where we'll be running our code. To choose your favorite editor, I will be using Pycharm. All the download links are mentioned in the description box below. I also have made a complete video on how to install Python and Pycharm, so go check it out. The link is in the description box below. For this automation, we are going to use a Python library called Pywhatkit. So when we see the documentation of this library, we see that there are a lot of methods which are available for us to use. But what we are going to use is this method called send_what_message. So let's go ahead and install this library. Go to your command prompt and just type pip install Pywhatkit and then press enter. Now in my machine I have already installed, so it says requirement already satisfied, but for you it's going to go ahead and install this library on your machine. So now this step is done. The next thing that we're going to do is go to our favorite editor. I'll just create a new project. Let's say WhatsApp automation. Once we have created a project, we get this main.py. Let's clear the contents of this and write our own code. Now, to use this library, we need to import it in our code. To do that, just type import Pywhatkit. That's it. We are just one line away from our automation. The next thing that we need to do is just type Pywhatkit.send_what_message. Now this method accepts 4 different parameters. The first being the number to which you need to send the message. So I will just type out the number. The next parameter is the message that you need to send. So let's say I want to wish Happy Diwali to this person. The next parameter is time in hours. So right now it's 6:02 in the evening. So I'll just type out 18, which is the 24-hour format. And the last parameter is the minute. So I will schedule it for after 2 minutes, which is 4. So at 6:04, it's going to send the message. So let's go ahead and run it. Now it says in 47 seconds, web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds, message will be delivered. So what this method does is opens web.whatsapp.com in our browser and it automatically sends out the message. So let's wait for a few seconds. See, it has automatically opened web.whatsapp.com in our browser and it's going to open the respective chat, and it automatically typed out Happy Diwali, which we had written in our code, and it sent it. Cool, isn't it? So try it yourself and let me know in the comment section below how you enjoyed it. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos related to coding. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to come code with me and conquer the world.